Today chapter is sound. So we will study here what is sound. What is sound? Sound is a form of energy. Sound is a form of energy and it is a vibrating body. There is two types of sound. One present, second unpresent. Now we will study about the reflection of sound. Reflection of sound. Reflection of sound obeys two laws. Angle of incidence. The angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Second, the incident wave, the reflected wave and the normal all lie in the same plane. Same plane. There is done one experiment to demonstrate the laws of reflection for sound wave. To demonstrate the laws of reflection for sound waves. We will take a smooth polished surface Take a smooth polished large board and mount it vertically on a table at a right angle to the board. Fix a wooden screen. Smooth board. That is watch. To demonstrate the laws of reflection for sound wave, we will take a smooth polished large wooden board and mount it vertically on a table. At a right angle to the board, fix a wooden screen. On each side of the screen, place a long, narrow and highly polished tube from inside, as shown in the figure. Place a watch at the end of tube A. This is tube A. Tube A. This is tube B. Move the tube B slightly left or right till a distant streak of the watch ahead. We will measure the angle. This is Q, this is C, this is R. We will measure the angle. PCN is equal to RCN. So from this we have the experiment illustrated the laws of reflection. We we will make the numerical related to sound chapter. So there is two formula to keep in the mind. V is equal to 2D by T. T means time, D means distance, and B means speed. And D is equal to V into T by 2. There is two formula to keep in the mind to make the numerical based on the sound or echoes. First question is, a person fires a gun in front of a building 167 meter away. If the speed of a sound is 334 meter per second, calculate the time in which he hears an echo. Given distance is equal to 167 meter, speed is equal to 334 meter per second, we have to find time is equal to what? Time is equal to 2D by V. 2 into 167 meter by V, 334 meter per second. So it will go into per second. Meter is cancelled. We will 167 into 2, 334. So 2 to cancel. So therefore 1 second. Now second question. An echo is heard by a radar in 0.08 second. If the velocity of radio waves is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, how far is the enemy plane? So that is given time t is equal to 0.08 second, speed or velocity is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. We can write 3. We have to find distance is equal to what? We know velocity is equal to 2D by T. Therefore, D is equal to V into T by 2. Velocity is given 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second into 0.08 to 10 to the power minus 2 second divided by 2. 0.08 10 to the power 8 minus 2 divided by 2. 3 into 0.04 to the power 6. Second cancel. Okay, now 3 into 0.04 we will cancel from here. 10 to the power 8 minus 2, 10 to the power 6. 0.12 into 10 to the power 2. Point we will remove 100 into, we have to change in the kilometer. We will multiply it by 1000. So 12,000 kilometer has answered the question. A man stands in the front of a cliff and fires a gun. He hears an echo after a 4 seconds. On moving closer to the cliff by 4 41.25 meter, and again firing a gun. He hears an echo after 3.75 seconds. Calculate speed and distance of the man from the cliff to his initial position. 4 seconds. 3.75 second. This is the cliff, this is initial position, this is final position. From here to here, distance is x minus 41.25. This is 41.25 meter distance. Let x meter be the initial position.